Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in north central Maryland, western Frederick County in north central Maryland, north central London County in northern Virginia, east central Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Corporation of Ransom or over Charlestown, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The Weather Service in Sterling, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. Northern Virginia, east central Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Corporation of Ransom. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible.
And what an opportunity corner. Because to fold a sheet, you touch corners together.
Ferry, Corporation of Ransom, Bolivar. TV Alerts. All like this. You can rise down. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
So these are like perfect little things for...
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Millville and Howtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm.
If you're hearing that, that's my AC.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Based on street.
Bruce.
With good credit, doesn't it?
And from Oxford.
To consider God.
Yeah.
Casting a commitment. So even the hand of providence.
Okay then. That's a relay. Dude, like, why did it go off?
The service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for.
I was kinda mad. But still, I got that though. That counts. I swear to God. Well, I'll be right back.
Source, radar indicated.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore County and Carroll County, effective until 9:43 p.m.
Where you get it?
Low point.
Watch for warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Harford County in northern Maryland until 1:15 a.m. At 10:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.
Holy.
Which can save with Progressive could save hundreds.
0.5 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate.
Friday cannot come soon enough. And that's not just because we love a good weekend, but because this Friday, you get something with
DC 101. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially